Alrighty. Let's go get some fish. Tell you what, man. People think Onyx is an hunting app, but today we're gonna use it for fishing. Because I seen a truck parked off the side of the road down here a month ago, and I'm like, why is there a truck? And then sure as heck, man, there's a lake. There's a little lake back here. And it's a private lake, but it's got county land. So we're gonna park right off the side of the road, off of this county land here, and walk through it and get on that lake. So don't look at the lake man. Got to make sure to get that coffee intake first. That's the most important. So since we got a little walk, I think we'll go pretty light. We don't need to take any unnecessary shit out here. You ever see the guys, if you're drinking it on the ice, you know, having a little party, you just take like a little shot glass and put like slush in it and then pour a shot in it, and it's just like a slush bomb. I mean, it's only 9 o'clock. We probably shouldn't be thinking about that, but oh dude, we got ice up to here, so we're 18 inches ice. Not plugging anything because no sponsorships or anything, but this new Garmin Striker 4, damn, thing's a beast. Okay, I got one coming. Ooh, crappie. Oh, lost him at the hole. Nice black crappie. Paper mouth, man, that's what they are. Of course, my waxies are over there. That was nice. He came up, chased it. He's thinking about it. Almost got him to come. Okay, I see a mark. We just got to convince him to chase it. And then drop him way down now. About to 8 feet. This feels like a light one. Ooh, real nice kill, real nice kill. Good, good, good. Come on, you sucker. Look at that. That's a beautiful eater gill right there. They'll suck it in, and you almost just have to guess and then kind of set the hook on them. See, we got one at the bottom right now. Son of a monkey. Oh, I should have made him chase it farther. He's coming back, I think. I had a mark that's close. Ooh.
Nice gill.
Gilly. Good eater right there. You know what's weird? That fish was suspended and I didn't even have him marked. And that fish I was watching, that was a crappie coming off the bottom. And that gill just hammered that thing dead sticking at 4 feet. Isn't that something? So my grandpa always said, if the fish aren't biting, you gotta make them bite. There's a lot of truth to that, I think. Just a beautiful day in the Northwoods, man. We're the only people on this lake. There he is, crappie. Crappie, nice one. Oh, nice kill, nice kill. Oh, baby. Yeah. Beautiful eater gill. Oh, jeez, it's just gorgeous out here. All right, this morning we got out for our panfish. Did pretty good. It was kind of a slow bite, but knocked a couple in the bucket, and so we just headed into town and got a bite to eat at Battle Axe Saloon, Iron River, Wisconsin. Good egg rolls. And now we made out to the pike chain. Did a little research on the lake. We got a nice little curve here with gravel. This is a little flat we're gonna jig, and it drops down to about 19-20 feet right there around the bend around Sam. Let's see if we can't catch some walleye, and have a couple beers. This water is so clear. You can see all the way to the bottom. Tip up. I'm just kidding. Did I get you?
Yeah, you got me, man.
There she is. Oh, it'd be so sweet to jig up a walleye. Your lens is super fogged up. A little trick that my buddy Sam here taught me. If you want to slow him down a little, Just bite the tip off of the top of the tail. Yeah, we got something on it. It's moving real. It moved it just a little bit. Got him. Nope. Yep. Perch, dude. Yeah. 8-inch perch. Hey, you know what? Cool.